Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to give permission to mic in Google Play Store on your Google Smart TV and search for any app of VoiceOver in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here we go. We are in Google Smart TV, Google Play Store. So how can you activate mic for search? To search in Google Play Store on your Google Smart TV. When you talk, it automatically search for your intended app without saying anything, without typing anything on your Google Smart TV in Play Store. Let me show you how. This particular mic right here, how can you make use of it? Instead of you being typing and search for different apps, we can as well activate our mic for search, and then we'll be able to just speak to the mic, and then from there we can easily search for any app on our Google Play Store in Google TV. So how can we set it up? The very first thing we want to do is to come to the Home tab right here, and then we want to make sure we come to Settings right here. Go ahead and click on OK. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come to Apps right here. Now, you can see Google Play Store right here. But in some cases, if you cannot find Google Play Store right here, you just want to make sure you go to See All Apps, and then you want to make sure you scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to System Apps. And then under the System Apps, you want to make sure you continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on OK. And here you go. Now, at this point here, instead of you open Google Play Store, you just want to make sure you scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Permissions. Go ahead and click on OK. And here you go. And the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Microphone right here. Go ahead and click on Microphone. Now, instead of Don't Allow, you just want to make sure you switch to Ask Every Time or Allow while using the app. So we can simply go ahead and make sure you choose Allow while using the app, which simply means that by the time we get back to Google Play Store and we just talk, and instantly it's going to search for that particular app for us from our Google Play Store. Let's go ahead and come back to now you can see Microphone is allowed. The next thing we want to do is to go back to Google Play Store and then go ahead and hit on Open Google Play Store. So once we allow the mic, then we can easily come back to search from the top right here, and then we navigate to the mic. Then we click on it. Can you please open Netflix? Just like so, it opens straight up without even typing anything. Okay, then from here, we can search for anything as far as this particular method is concerned. Let's go back to search right here. So what you need to do is to simply click, once you get to the mic, simply click on OK, and then say whatever you want to say. Okay, now let me click on the mic again and say, can you please open Google app? You can see variety of Google apps just open up straight up without even searching or stress myself as far as this is concerned. So let's go back to the mic again. Let's go back to the mic, and then this time around I want to search for Facebook app. Let me see if there is Facebook app in Google Play Store and Google TV right here. I'm going to click on the mic. Can you please search for Facebook app? So there is no Facebook app right here. Okay, so let's go back. So you can go on and try as much as possible to explore and see how you can use some of these features right here. So let's say, can you please open Prime Video? So now let's say, can you please, you just have to make sure you press hold down. Can you please open YouTube Music app? Let's see, just like so. So we have different search results right here. So you can see different music app right here, just like so, and you are good to go. You can just explore and use this particular feature to search for anything as the case may be in Google Play Store. We can say, can you please open free VPN app? Can you please open free VPN app? Let's see. Now, here you go. You have a bunch of different free VPN app that you can use on your Google Play Store. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about these particular features in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.